Welcome to Hacking the Forex Matrix, where we reveal the secrets to mastering the world of Forex trading. But hold on, before you think about skipping this video, let me share something crucial with you. In a world where financial opportunities are constantly shifting, understanding Forex trading can be your ticket to financial freedom. Picture this. The Forex market, a dynamic realm where trillions of dollars change hands every day. It's like a digital battlefield, and you can be the strategies. Imagine having the power to trade currencies from New York to Tokyo, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's a global playground, and you're invited. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, knowledge. The better you understand the basics, the stronger your foundation. We'll walk you through pips, lots, and leverage, turning complex terms into your everyday tools. Ever wondered what EUR USD or GBP JPY means? It's time to demystify currency pairs and unlock endless possibilities. Fast forward to our data analysis tools section. Google Trends isn't just for curious minds, it's a goldmine for traders. We'll show you how to tap into it. Historical price data isn't a dusty relic, it's your crystal ball to predict market movements. Sentiment analysis? It's like having insider information on market sentiment, and we'll teach you the ropes. Are you ready to hack the Forex matrix? Learn to spot trends like a pro, and you'll be on your way to consistent profits. Risk management is your secret weapon to protect your capital. And pinpointing and subscribe button, like, and share this video. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.